Another small issue that was brought up at one of the buildings was that there were students that were somehow getting back into a meeting after everyone had exited and the teacher closed the meeting. Um, it was kind of a tricky one to figure out, but what we were finding is that even if you wait for all of your students to leave and then you exit the meeting, and I'll go ahead and do that now, they were finding that later their attendance reports said that students were in a little bit later, and I want to show you how this could happen just so you're aware of it. Um, when you, and this can happen with a nickname from your Google Classroom meeting, or if you join or start your own nickname meeting, what we were finding is that students, before they left their meeting, they were joining that meeting on another device, and they were waiting in this area right here, where it said, meeting in progress. It might have had the teacher's name and 4 or 5 of their students. They did not click join now, but the fact that they were in this waiting area left the meeting open. They would then wait for all teachers, for all students to leave, and then 5 minutes later, they'd click join now, and they were able to join the meeting. They were able to invite other students. They were able to join, to share the outside join codes. And so what I suggested to those teachers was just, it happens so infrequently that maybe 5 minutes after your meeting is over, you pop back in, see if somebody's there. More likely, you're going to notice if it's a problem on your attendance report. So maybe check the times on your attendance report. If there are any students that are in that meeting after you, it's a discussion to have, and we can always check their history and look at things on GoGuardian. So it's not a huge issue, but something to be aware of.